Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to add joined date on Facebook. So first of all, open Facebook application. Now once you come here, just tap on the menu option at the bottom right corner. From here, go to your name on top. Now once you come to your profile, tap on the pencil icon on top just beside your name. Now over here, scroll down below and tap on Edit Your About Info at the bottom. Now again, scroll down below from here, and under Profile Transparency, you can see a creation date mentioned, which is the date when I joined Facebook. So if you tap on the option of See All on top, you can see that I am not able to edit the details under profile history. So if you go back, it is clearly stated here that Facebook is showing information to help people understand the purpose of your profile. You won't be able to edit what is shown here. So the date joined is automatically mentioned on your Facebook profile, and then you won't have to add it manually on your account. So this is it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos.